Hello everyone, welcome to online maths classes. In previous videos, we solved up to ninth problem in exercise 4.3. So in this video, we are going to solve from 10th problem. Let us see the 10th one. Find the value of x and y from the figure. So this is the figure. We have x and y. By using this, you have to find the value of x and y. Here these two arrowheads are parallel and these two arrowheads are parallel. Let us take A, B, C and this intersecting point D, E, F, G, H. Just for convenient, I am writing names. So from figure, what are given? Angle ABC equal to 120 degrees. Angle EDF equal to x degrees. Angle DGH equal to 3y plus 6 degrees. Before that, BC parallel to DE and these two, AF parallel to GH. BC parallel to DE and AF parallel to GH. We know that this and these two angles are linear pair. What are those? Angle ABC plus angle CBD equal to 180 degrees since linear pair. Linear pair. What are those? Angle ABC, this one, and angle CBD, this. These two are linear pair. What is the angle ABC? ABC is 120 degrees plus angle CBD equal to 180 degrees. Angle CBD equal to 180, taking right side, minus 120. That is angle CBD equal to 60 degrees. Got this. This is the 60 degrees. And observe these two angles, CBD and X. That means EDF. These two are same side of. We know that these two are parallel and this is the transversal. Therefore, these two are corresponding angles. So, angle CBD equal to angle EDF. Since corresponding angles. Therefore, we know that angle CBD equals 60 degrees. Therefore, angle EDF equal also 60 degrees. This is also okay. So, what is the EDF? X. Therefore, X equal to 60 degrees. We got this. And observe these two angles. We know that AF is parallel to GH. These two are parallel and this is the transversal. These two are same side and one is interior, other is exterior. Therefore, the two are corresponding angles. What are those? Angle DGH equal to angle EDF. DGH 3y plus 6 equal to EDF. EDF is X, but EDF is that X is 60 degrees. 60 degrees. By solving this equation, we can get the Y. So that is 3y equal to 60 minus 6. 3y equal to 54. Y equal to 54 by 3. 3 ones are 3, 2 remainder, 3 8s are 24. That is y equal to 18. X equal to 60 degrees. Y equal to 18. Okay, this is 10th one. 11th one is from figure find x and y. From this figure find x and y. So let us name as A, B, C, and it is D. So what is given from figure? Angle D equal to x, angle DAC equal to 65 degrees, DAC equal to 65 degrees, BAC equal to 52 degrees, BAC equal to 52 degrees, and angle BCA equal to 3y plus 5. BCA equal to 3y plus 5. So here we have sign that is perpendicular. Angle ABC equal to 90 degrees. So it means it is 90 degrees. So here we have arrowheads on AB and CD. Therefore, AB is parallel to CD. AB is parallel to CD. Angle A equal to, this angle A equal to angle DAC plus angle BAC. That is angle A equal to 65 plus 52. Angle A means BAD equal to BAC plus CAD. So that is 52 plus 65 or 65 plus 52. That equal to 117. Here we know that AB is parallel to CD. AB is parallel to CD. These two are parallel. These two lines are parallel, and this is the transversal. This is the transversal. Therefore, these two angles are interior angles on the same side of the transversal. Therefore, angle X plus angle A equal to, that means angle BAD equal to 180 degrees. Since interior angles on the same side of transversal. Okay. X plus angle A. What is the angle A? 117 equal to 180. X equal to 180 minus 170. X equal to 63 degrees. Angle BAC equal to angle ACD. Since angle BAC and angle ACD, these two angles are alternate interior angles. These two are parallel and it is the transversal. These two are parallel and this is the transversal. So these two are alternate interior angles. Alternate interior angles. Therefore, angle BAC equal 52 degrees equal to angle ACD. That means angle ACD equal to 52 degrees. Here, these two angles. So that is, this is the C. It is the C. This angle B and angle C. C means angle BCD. Okay. These two are parallel. These two are parallel and this is the transversal. They are like this. Okay. So this is B and it is the C. This total. So these two are interior angles on the same side of the transversal. Therefore, they are supplementary. They are supplementary. That means angle B plus angle BCD equal to 180 degrees. Here angle B is 90 degrees. Already we know this. Angle ABC are B. This is plus angle BCD equal to 180 degrees. Angle BCD equal to 180 minus 90, that equals angle BCD equal to 90 degrees. What is the angle BCD? BCD you can write as angle BCA plus this BCD I am writing, this BCD, this total angle I am writing as BCA plus angle ACD. BCA plus angle ACD equal to 90 degrees. So angle BCA 3y plus 5, 3y plus 5 plus angle ACD. What is the ACD? 52 degrees. 52 degrees equal to 90 degrees. Here 3y plus 52 plus 5, 57 equal to 90 degrees. 3y equal to 90 minus 57, that is 3y equal to 33, y equal to 33 by 3, 3 ones are 3 ones are 3 ones are, that is y equal to 11. So x equal to how much? 63, y equal to 11. This is 11th one. So here we got angle BCD equal to 90 degrees. BCD equal to 90 degrees. How we got? By taking these two are these two. These two angles are interior angles on the same side of the transversal. Therefore, these two are supplementary. Finally, we got angle BCD equal to this equal to 90. Or we can say simply, if a line is perpendicular to one of the parallel lines, then that line is perpendicular to both. If a line is perpendicular to one of the parallel lines, then the line is perpendicular to other line also. ఒక లైను రెండు ప్యారలల్ లైన్స్లో ఒకదానికి పర్పెండిక్యులర్గా ఉంటే రెండో దానికి కూడా పర్పెండిక్యులర్గా ఉంటుంది. అంటే ఇక్కడ 90 ఉంటే ఇక్కడ 90 ఉంటుంది. ఆ స్టేట్మెంట్ రాసి మనం డైరెక్ట్గా రాయొచ్చు. ఓకే, నో నీడ్ టు డూ దిస్ simplification. Okay, this is 11th one. Next 13th one. In the given figure, if AB parallel to CD, APQ equal 50 degrees. AB parallel to CD, APQ equal to 50 degrees. Only this. Angle PRD equal to 127. PRD, this is 127 degrees. Find x and y. Find x, y. From figure, what are given? AB parallel to CD. Angle APQ equal to 50 degrees. Angle PRD equal to 127 degrees. These are given. Here AB is parallel to CD and this is the transversal. This PQ is the transversal. So here like this. These two are transversal. So what about these two angles? These two are alternate interior angles. So therefore angle PCR equal to angle APQ. These two angles are alternate interior angles. Therefore PCR x equal to APQ 50 degrees. We got one. Next, these two are parallel and it is the transversal. This is the transversal. Therefore these two angles are alternate interior angles. What are those? angle APR equal to angle PRD. APQ, this angle. So since say alternate interior angles. So here angle APR we can write as APQ plus QPR. This we can write as APQ plus angle QPR equal to angle PRD. What is the angle PRD? 127 degrees. Angle APQ is 50 degrees plus angle QPR 5 degrees. Y equal to 127 degrees. Y equal to 127 minus 50. That is y equal to 77 degrees. What are those? X equal to 50 degrees, y equal to 77 degrees. Okay, this is 13th one. In next video, we will do some more problems. I think all you are following my classes. If you have any doubt, you have to write in comment box. And to get more videos, subscribe our channel. Thank you one and all.